Welcome to Trail Hunter USA. This is Eric Taylor. This is our this is a video of our 2023 July Bronco meetup hosted by God's Country Overland and Central Kentucky Broncos Facebook page. We're going to be on the Boone Backcountry Byway on the furnace loop today, going to go see a couple of furnaces. We had a great day. We had 42 Broncos and a couple of Jeeps, and I would say over 100 people here. So sit back and enjoy this video and leave a comment below and let me know what you think. And we will see you guys on the trails.
I'm on the way, don't leave.
Thank you. Yeah, they go everywhere with it. All right, everybody. Eric Taylor.
Gotta frame you in. I gotta get your good side. The red.
Oh my gosh.
All right, everybody. Glad to have you. Is it going now?
Yep.
It's a good thing we know how to edit. We do that all the time.
Yeah, I hear you.
Hey everybody, Eric Taylor here, Trail Hunter USA with Brent Berryman also, but we've got a good friend that showed up today, Tim with Overlanding for Fun.
Yes, sir. Hey, officially good morning. I'm Brent, God's Country Overland. I have no idea how I've connected with half of you guys. Some know me as one, some know me as the other. You can pretty much call me about anything and I'll respond, so it doesn't really matter. More than anything, for those of you that know me and whatnot, and we've met, sincerely, you guys showing up today means the absolute world to me. I am trying really hard to not grin like a little child. I probably will anyway. I love this. I love what all of us buying a Bronco has turned into. You know, it's just so neat to have something in common. So cool to share this, and then to have people from Ohio, and we get people from Tennessee, all just coming here to hang out together. West Virginia. I mean, what? California. Woo! Yeah. What do you go by? Knew that was you pulling in. I was like, that can't be him. He's a star. So we got 22 Wild Track. If you guys are on Instagram, I guarantee you've seen 22 Wild Track and his craziness, and how he's constantly doing something on his Bronco. We've got Tim Overlanding for Fun here. We've got Trail Hunter USA here. So we have all these people who have channels and are a big part of this, all here just hanging out together. I love it. Today's ride is going to be very simple. This is just more of a meet and greet, not be at a dealership. Hang out, get to know new people, exchange numbers and find out who's from where, and just keep building the community that we've been working on together. 6 months ago, my passion was to get into this and this be my job, and because this is just fun. So again, thank you. I want to bring two people up who keep trying to hide.
Where do you want me?
What?
Let me get behind Eric.
One at a time. Yeah, so this gentleman right here, if you don't know him, this is Eric Taylor, Trail Hunter USA. Great friend of mine that I would have never met if I didn't buy a Bronco. I mean, I consider him a dear friend now. So This is John Carson. John Carson is the leader of the Central Kentucky Bronco group. Another great friend I met at Cabela's because we own Broncos. But he'll be running lead today for us. But this is John. John, speak to the great people and speak.
Thank you. Well, as he said, I'm John Carson, and I do run Central Kentucky Bronco. I know I've talked to a few of you guys, seen a bunch of you on there. I know membership keeps growing. I've rode with some of you. There's a ton of you here. Never seen you. Tickled to death you guys all showed up. Again, thank you guys for coming, and hope you enjoy your day.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on the trees. Let me fly like the leaves when they fall. Well, let my mind go serene.
Where's
Hmm?
He's still up there.
Okay, we're about to walk into our first furnace. This one was about a mile back down a road that you could not drive on. So we walked down in there, and then you walk down into the woods a little way to get to the furnace. It was downhill going in, so it was a much harder walk coming out. But it was really cool, so enjoy.
Walking back up, so you're up.
Yeah, imagine if it was 100 degrees out.
Well, we brought hers today, so
Oh, did you?
if there was a plan to go in the right direction.
Good chance it's the right way, yeah.
Been used recently, actually. Yeah, that's amazing.
Wow. How y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
75 to 71. About people come behind. Yeah. Looks like it. Try not to miss. That may have been it. I'm not sure. That's all the people.
Yeah. Thing is,
Harley. Well, as you can see, it hasn't rained all week, but it's decided to rain today, and it is pouring down, thunder and lightning. We've got some of the group caught in the furnace over there, which includes Debbie. So we're just kind of hanging out. Hopefully the storms will blow over and we can finish our furnace loop in the Daniel Boone Backcountry Byway today. But right now, we're at a standstill.
you doing?
Yes. All right, this is going to wrap up the first video of the Bronco meetup. We stopped here in a small town to eat and rest a bit, and then we took off after this and went and did some off-roading trails. And so be sure to watch that. It's coming up. Like and subscribe to the channel so you'll be sure to get notified when that next video comes out. So we will see you guys on the trails.